Hi, I'm Dewi Griffiths and these are some of my top tips on how to practice properly. Now, the first thing that you need to be aware of is that playing and practicing are two different things. Yeah? Practicing has a purpose, and that purpose is usually to work on something that you can't play until we can. Yeah? And it's not usually a quick fix. Yeah? So we're not going to be able to practice something and then within 10 minutes it works. Yeah? It's usually a weekly or a monthly kind of goal. That's the first thing. So bear in mind that practicing and playing are two different things. And ask yourself the question, am I actually practicing or am I simply just playing? Yeah, and that is something that we need to bear in mind if you are trying to improve. Secondly, have a goal. Yeah, set yourself a goal or an aim that you want to achieve towards the end of the practice. Yeah, whether or not that is a daily practice or a weekly practice or a monthly practice, set some kind of goal. Yeah, it could be breathing exercises. Yeah, so you could have a goal of I want to play that solo passage all in one breath. Yeah, now that's not going to happen straight away, but it might do after a couple of weeks. Or you might have a goal in mind, oh, I would like to play that variation at crotchet equals 120, for instance. At the moment, you can only manage it on 102. Yeah, so the goal would be to increase that until you can play it at the fast speed. Thirdly, make sure that your practice session, your daily practice session, has a distinct routine. That is a warm-up, the bit that we actually do the practice on, and then possibly the cool down at the end. Next tip is have everything that you might need for the practice session at your disposal. Yeah, so have the books that you need, have the apps that you might need. The apps that I tend to use regularly is a metronome on my phone and a tuner, yeah, a chromatic tuner on my phone. You can get them for iPads, you can actually buy a machine that does that one job, but nowadays you can get them all on your various app stores. And you'd be surprised at how well they help you with your practice. And lastly, make sure you keep it fun. Yeah? Nobody enjoys practicing as such, and remember what I said at the beginning, practicing and playing are two different things. Yeah? I'm not a massive fan of practicing, of course. I have to do it in order to keep my standards up, but I enjoy playing. Yeah, but they are both very different things. So keep it fun. If you're starting to beat yourself up because you just can't do it, then leave it for the day, put it down, go and do something else, and either pick it back up in a couple of hours or just try again tomorrow. Yeah, because the most important thing is that you have fun. And if we practice and improve, then the fun gets more and more. So there we have sort of 5 little tips on how to practice, what to use to practice, and to keep it all fun.